Hey, I'm Jen from Threadicated, and today I'm taking you through our favourite looks from the pink carpet of the Barbie premiere. First up, Margot Robbie in this incredible scapularelli. I am obsessed with this look. It's actually a dupe of an actual look from a Barbie in the 1960s, which I think is just so incredible. Next up, we have Ryan Gosling in Gucci. I love this tonal pink look for him. It's very Ken, very of the moment, and looks incredible with his complexion. Next up, we have Dua Lipa in Bottega. I am obsessed with this dress. Some people say the naked dress is over. I think this is a really great reimagining of it. I think this is so beautiful on her. I love that she's kept her hair soft and clean and just very minimal, so the dress does all the talking. We have Simi Lou wearing Versace and Allison shoe in this amazing boucle cord. I love that Allison's shoes perfectly coordinate with her little cord, with the pink picking up the little flecks of pink in the pattern of the piece. Next up, Ashley Graham in this very Barbie-esque Nina Ricci. I love this. It's so statement and bold and something that could only be worn at a Barbie premiere. Next up is Saray and Mark Bauer. I love that the dress is doing all the talking here. It's so Barbie, so pink, so much fun, and she's kept her hair really slick off her face with glowy makeup and just a little nod to the pink dress with some pink on her eyelids. Finally, we've got Dove Cameron in this amazing Ellie Meisner. I love that, again, this is very Barbie-esque type of dress. It's something you definitely would have dressed your Barbie in as a kid, but I like how she's kind of contrasted the overtly feminine vibe of the dress with a little bit more of an edgy hair and makeup. So all up, 8 incredible looks. We have been obsessed with all the fashion that's come out of Barbie so far, and we can't wait to see the movie next week.